hate to be the bearer of bad news, guys, but unless Ellis knows how to build a monster truck, we ain't driving through this.
Sorry, guys, I didn't see this coming.
Let's get back on foot.
Hey, there's a sign for the amusement park.
Hey,
Guys, can I have a second with the car?
Whispering Oaks.
Alone.
Shit, I used to go there when I was
I
a
just
kid.
need to say goodbye.
Oh, good. Now, whatever.
You did good. I love you.
These abandoned cars go on for miles.
They left them when they got rescued.
Mud bin.
Shooting me?
You win your
Shit.
Should have come. Hit that motherfucker. Look out! Miners!
Boomer's around. Boomer!
Jockey!
Who in the hell shot me?
Hey, I'm reloading.
Over the Look out!
Reloading.
Down this off-ramp.
Smoker!
Smoker. Internet video.
No!
Your eyes staring at
Grabbing a crowbar. That zombie's carrying something.
Watch out! I need some help!
Boomer!
Reloading.
Reloading!
Watch out. Reloading.
Better. I think our options are keep moving down the road, save lights, or die. Reload!
Reloading. Shoot him in the back.
Ammo here.
Hell yeah.
Hold on a second.
Reloading. Reloading. Forgive me. Reloading.
I hear a witch crying. Reloading. Thanks, I owe you one.
Try the second floor.
We have guns here! Leave that witch alone.
Shoot the whip! Shoot the whip! Shoot the whip!
Make sure you use this now.
Grab an incendiary ammo.
Through this window.
All right, weapons.
Keep shooting!
Light it up. Shoot the shit out of that thing. What happened to us?
Reloading!
Ain't the only ones that thought to take this shortcut.
That was almost fun.
Whoa, shit! Whoa, whoa!
Let's try and cross this valley.
We can get up here.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Reloading.
Reload!
Reloading! Get that motherfucker!
Got a hunter! I'm gonna reload!
Reloading.
Look out!
That was my fault. Let's get it.
Hey, we can get in through here. Just bring Oaks. We made it.
Hey, check it out, man! That's a Midnight Riders!
Never heard of them. They any good?
Yeah, they're a pretty big deal, alright.
Gotta reach for the top, stay on the mountain. Na 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 na.
Stay on that song, man. That's the first single, their 10th Midnight album. Love that song.
You are shooting me. Smoker! Smoker, reloading.
Jockey! Smoker! Alice, that was me.
That was me.
No.
I got a hunter. Reloading.
Do not shoot me!
Reload when you shooting. Excuse me. Oh shit! Watch out! Bang!
Taken care of.
Grab a weapon.
Coach, you're making me hungry just listening to you.
Reloading.
Mustache cash stick. Hey, can we stop and make some cotton candy?
King of food.
Reload.
Reloading.
Katana here.
Hey, I'm reloading. Don't shoot.
My bad.
Gotta find me some real first aid.
Oh, great heavens! Why the hell can't I walk? Target! We got a charger! Target! Will you cut that shit out?
Look out!
Reloading.
Hunter!
Reloading.
I think I've had nightmares with this peanut.
How do you not like little Peanut? I love this little guy.
Grabbing some frag rounds.
Molly's mine.
I found a burger tank in this place. I'm gonna be a one-man cheeseburger apocalypse.
Well, Coach, I aim to let you.
The boardwalk still smells like popcorn.
old man,
the back
heal up.
alley still stinks like piss. God damn it, I can't believe this. You're gonna have to do better than that to kill me.
We gotta hurry.
Man, what are y'all in a hurry for? This is awesome.
That's better.
Thanks.
Get away from that witch. Mine.
That hits spot.
Hey, look out!
Leave that witch alone.
Quit shooting me.
Leave that witch alone.
about.
I'm gonna heal.
I'm grabbing pills.
Black man spot.
We have guys here!
I can walk this shit off.
I'ma reload.
Oh, yeah.
We got a smoke.
It's open!
Shit out.
It's off! Alright, weapons! Here they come! What do you fine gentlemen want to cover me while I heal?
Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
Bitter!
God, this stuff's burning, man.
Covered in goo!
Oh, what is this shit?
I'm messed up.
Come on, let's go! Everyone in here!
Here you go. First aid.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is the most relaxing safe room I've ever been in.
You all need to kill your lights.
Reloading.
That witch is getting mad. Reloading. Get away from that witch.
Get ready! Take him down!
They shoot the shit out of that thing! Oh, no, you didn't just shoot me! The air duct of love. The catwalk of love. I'll take this one.
I got this for you, man.
Broken my legs!
Reloading! Down that hole.
Alright, let's do this together.
Your eyes staring into mine.
We don't have time for this. Get out. This is the longest tunnel of...
Man, this stuff hurts.
Shit! That long neck bitch!
I got hit by burning goose shit!
A helicopter.
Oh man, that's the screaming oak!
I got a plan. Let's kill all the zombies. Cover me, please. Oh, yeah. Over this fence.
Your mom!
Look out! Did you shoot me? Reload him.
Blocked by the coaster.
Alright, you guys ready?
All right. Yep.
I'm starting it!
Fly down these hills.
Grabbing first aid.
Somebody turn. Hey, just dinner! Keep following the tracks.
Follow the tracks, guys. Let's go.
I'm right behind you.
Hey, I'm reloading. Never should have come here.
Safe house ahead. Get inside. All right, this party is over. Fireproof zombies. Hooray!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Kill the clown! Katana here.
Heads up.
Smoker's got me! Throw the dodger!
Reloading.
Spin him around and shoot him in the back! Hey! Okay, shoot the shit out of that thing!
This man is what?
Time to get going.
I'm with you.
Sure, I'm with you.
Katana here.
Everyone shoot the tank! Watch out!
Charger.
Charger!
Hunter! Charger! Reloading!
Reload!
I like it, cut you.
Slow. This man is others. Through that door.
Weapons over here!
We climb across the roof.
Axe me a question. I dare you. Somebody shot me! I'm reloading.
I hear one of them backhumpers around here.
Madman!
Careful on these roofs.
Reloading!
Do not shoot me. Stadium. Good lift.
Reloading.
You're a loser!
Do not shoot me. Ammo here. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Go get ready, man.
Okay, here's the plan. It's been a long time since I seen the riders, but if their finale's the same, that'll signal the chopper pilot. We just need to start it, because nobody, and I mean nobody, has a bigger pyrotechnics show than the Midnight Riders.
I'm in. This arena's about to get rocked.
Reloading.
Oh no, you didn't just shoot me!
Reloading. We need to start the finale.
Lights! We have guns here! Ready?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm game.
This is gonna be good.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
tell and wrote either everybody's. I was raised in a deep, dark hole, a prisoner with no parole. They locked me up and took my soul. I called to him and he will come. She'll run to him like he's the one. His arms outstretched, but when she's done,